नाद विनोदिनी सरस्वती वीणा गान विनोदिनी वीणा गान विनोदिनी वाणी वेणी भारती वाणी वेणी भारती श्रुति स्वर रागम निकलै मगळी श्रुति स्वर रागम निकलै मगळी कृतिलय मुन्नि अन्नवाहिनी कृतिलय मुन्नि अन्नवाहिनी ज्ञान स्वरूपिणी सरस्वती नाद विनोदिनी सरस्वती.
And the leaders from various places also come here to recruit our students. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all for this second graduation day. It's an auspicious day, and this is the second time we are gathering up here for this cause. So this graduation day is going to be, the certificates are going to be awarded to those who have been trained by this Hyundai Motors India numbers. That's why they are in the competition, and they are maybe in the second position in India, next to maybe Maruti Suzuki. But even General Motors has a lot of problems now in their company. But Hyundai is coming up very fast and very well, and they are all fortunate to have their center, professional development center in our college. So it is a pride and a privilege for our institution to have these dignitaries amongst us for this second graduation day. So all the students, those who have benefited from this, and all other students, those who have already been visiting and seeing the facilities and getting the benefits, even our engineering students are having the benefits of this center. So once again, I would like to thank on this Excel Group Institute on behalf of Excel Group Institutions for establishing a professional development center in this campus. So I once again welcome you all for this second graduation day, and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to invite Dr. B. Devakumar to honor our Chief Guest, Sri P. N. Krishnan. Now I would like to invite P.K. Shanmugam sir to honor our chief guest, Shyam Silver Star. Thank you, sir. It is our great pleasure to invite Dr.